Hello everybody and welcome back. So as you figured out by now, we're going to continue on with Max Waters' Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. And today we're going to work on puzzle number 12. Alright, let's start with this box here. We've got a 1 and a 2, so we're missing a 3, a 6, and an 8. There's an 8 here. So 3 or 6, 3 or 6, and that means that our 8 has to be here. And let's do this box. We've got a 1, so we're missing 2, a 3, and a 6. There's a 6 here and a 3 here, so our 2 must be here, and because that's 6 there, this is our 3, and this is our 6. Let's do this column. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4 and a 6. There's a 6 here, so this is our 4 and this is our 6. In this column, we're missing a 1, a 4, and a 5. So because of this 1 and this 4, our 5 has to be here. And because of that 4, this is our 1, and here's our 4. So if we work on this box, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, a 4, and a 7. So there's a 3 here, so this could be 4 or 7. There's a 7 here, so that one could be 3 or 4. And there's a 4 here, so 3 or 7. If we work on this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we're missing 6, 8, and 9. With the 8 and 9 there, we're missing a 6. And this one is just missing a 9, so this is our 8. And then this box here, we're missing a 1, and a 2, and a 5. So we've got the 1 here, so this can be a 2 or a 5. This could be 1, 2, or 5, and 1, 2, or 5. Let's see, what do we want to do next? Let's do this row. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4, a 7, and a 9, but there's a 9 here, so that could be 4 or 7. And since the 9 couldn't be in either of those, it has to be here. Let's do this row. We've got a 1, a 2, so we're missing 3 and 4, and we don't have any help anywhere, so that's 3 or 4, and 3 or 4. Let's do this column. We're missing 1, 2, and 3. There's a 3 here, so this could be a 1 or a 2. There's a 3 here, so 1 or a 2, and a 1 here. But again, since the 3 couldn't be in either of these other boxes, this has to be our 3. How about we do this column next? So we're missing a 1, 5, and 6. And we've got a 5 here, so that could be a 1 or a 6. We've got a 1 here. And no other help, so that's a 5 or 6 and a 5 or 6. And again, since this 1 is covering both of those boxes, this has to be our 1. If we do this column here, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4 and a 5. We've got a 5 there, so this is our 4. This is our 5. That makes this our 7. This is a 4. This is a 3. This is 7. 6, 3, 4, 3. All right. So if we go back here, we're missing the 1 and 2, but we've got this 2 up here, so that makes this our 1 and this our 2, so then that's a 1. And then we can cross out that 1, which means that the only place left in this box for the 1 is here. Let's finish this box. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we're missing 6 and 8. 6 is there, so 8 and 6. In this column, we've got a 1, we're missing 2 and 4, but we've got a 4 here. So this is our 2, this is our 4. And let's do this column. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5, a 7, and a 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this has to be our 5. Got a 9 there, so this is our 7, this is our 9. Because of this 5, this is our 2 and our 5. And that means over here, this is our 6 and our 5. And so then we can just finish counting these out. 1, 2, 3, this is a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, so we're missing 2. All right, so that was today's puzzle. Join us here again tomorrow for the next puzzle in this book. Again, we are working on Max Waters' Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. If you want to follow along with me, you can either look for it on Amazon or there is a link in the description below. And again, I do get a small commission from any sales. But otherwise, I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.